This video, from OS College, demonstrates the Reload item in the File menu of LibreOffice Writer. Calc, Impress, Math, and Draw. This item simply reverts your document to the last point when it was saved. Any additions will be removed. Anything deleted will be restored. For this item to be active, a document needs to be saved at least once. After a document has been given a name and saved for the first time, click this item if you have made several changes to a document and decided that you don't want to keep them. In this Writer document, I changed the name of a heading and deleted an image. Clicking File, then clicking Reload launches a confirmation dialog. Click Yes in that dialog. The document has now reverted to the point when it was last saved. The old heading and the image are back. This is how the Reload item works. This video, from OS College, has been about restoring a LibreOffice to the last point it was saved. Added items will be deleted. Deleted items will be restored. There is a link to the video is on the oscollege.com webpage about reloading a LibreOffice document. It is also available on the OS College YouTube channel, along with other videos about LibreOffice and other applications. If you are watching on YouTube, click subscribe and like to receive notifications of future videos about LibreOffice and other applications. The video is also on Facebook and MeWe. Thank you for watching.